read by Shandy Michael. Rough wave, or known as freak wave, occur when two or more crates add together to form a short-lived, very high wave. Wave whose height is more than twice the significant wave height, which is defined as the mean of the largest third of wave in wave record. Below is the list of rough wave incidents. What causes of rough waves? First, high wind. Second, nonlinear phenomena. Third, strong current.
Rogue wave characteristic. Wave height are huge and damaging to ship. Second, unpredictable. Third, they are rare. And last, may appear suddenly.
The differences between a tsunami and rough wave. Tsunami has pressure wave that extend all the way to the sea floor in the deep ocean. It is caused by large undersea earthquake and underwater landslide.
Rogue waves caused by wind force. The effect damage done by rogue waves. Thank you for your kind attention.